Hey, and welcome back to Inside the Creator. I'm April, and this is the place to be for mindset, emotional wellness, and self-discovery for the creator in you. And today we're talking about, or I guess the question is, do you struggle with making decisions around what to do, right? What you want to do? I have been historically known to go around in my head, basically saying, I don't know, and wondering if anything that I was doing was what I was supposed to be doing. I'm like, well, I don't even know if this is really what I'm supposed to do. So it was like just literal mental masturbation, just playing and frolicking with my thoughts and feeling like I was waiting for something externally to tell me what the right thing was to do. Like, what is the right path here? And I did that for a long time. I did that since I was in my 20s, like it's been 20 years strong, saying, I don't know, but what if I go this way? But what if I do this? Well, maybe this and maybe that and maybe this. And what I'm learning, number one, like really, really, really like at the tippy top. And I always like to go at the tippy top. The tippy top, what I'm noticing now is that it doesn't matter what you choose, it's going to work out. So, number one, I think that it's an avoidance tactic. Like you avoid making a decision because of fear. And I feel like it's fear of responsibility and fear of accountability. Because as long as you don't make a decision, you don't have to take any actions. Which means once you do make a decision, now it's your responsibility. Respond to your abilities and your capabilities. And you have to do the thing because now you've made a decision. Now you have to hold yourself accountable. And that is the biggest reason why I think that we avoid just making decisions altogether. I realize it's absolutely scary. It's the thing where the root word decision or to decide means to cut off. So that means that if you make a decision, which I think we all feel this internally, which is why we don't make the decision, is that, all right, it feels like we are saying no to everything else. That's exactly what we're doing. No to everything else. It's like getting married, right? Do you think when you choose a partner and decide to get married that you still have choices? No, you don't. You shouldn't, right? You shouldn't do that. But you've made a decision and now everything else is decision within that decision. And that's just how deciding works. You do cut off everything else and you focus 110%. Like what it looks like to commit is showing up every day. Even when it's messy, even when it's confusing. This is how marriage is. Sometimes it's messy, sometimes it's confusing. But you decided, right? You don't go out every day, well, this one right here at the house, I don't like, I'm gonna go see about another one. That's what gets you in trouble, right? Thinking that you have a choice. No, you've already decided. So now we lock in and we commit and we dedicate ourselves to our decision. And for what I've seen is that no matter what decision you take, you're gonna learn. And taking that path will eventually lead you to other paths. Like you'll have more decisions to make from that path. And sometimes it's deciding to stay on that path or deciding to maybe go into another direction. The caveat is once you do make this decision right now, is committing to that 110% so that you can get the learning and the growing out of it and so that the other paths will appear. You can make a decision and look, you can always change your decision. That's what got us in trouble. That's why we're in trouble now, because we decided and then we turned around and decided that what we decided wasn't really what we decided. You see, when you make a decision, you do have to stand on business. And you don't have to, but if you do, you get out of it. You get something out of it, right? You get that growth, you get that learning, you get to go through those struggles and try, which you don't want to, but that's just what it is. And you get the good stuff out of it. But that's because you came and you decided, you stuck with it, and you weathered all the storms. And now, coincidentally, other things are opened up to you. Good, solid personal growth and success is not a gift for the wishy-washy creator. Like, you get out of the creative journey what you give to the creative journey. So if you're gonna be wishy-washy, don't think you're gonna get good, solid success. That's just not gonna happen. You sometimey and you wishy-washy, that is what you're gonna get. I think that's all I have for today. It's a little short video, but yeah, let's lock in. Let's decide on something, pick something, and just lock in and see where it takes us. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share, and don't watch no other videos. Go do what you're supposed to be doing. Just go do it. Like now. Click off this video and just get off of YouTube. All right. Bye.